It's a nice day today. I think I'll go to the park to get some fresh air. And I'll take a train to get there since there's a station near the park. So I'll get ready for my day.
Hey Brielle. What's up?
Well, Mom and Dad, I'm about to go to the park. And I'm gonna take a train to get there.
That's great, Brielle.
Yeah, have fun.
I sure will, Dad. I'll see you and Mom later.
Good luck, Brielle. And be careful.
Okay, Mom. I'll be careful.
Good. We'll see you later.
The train should be coming any minute now. It looks like the train is here. Time to get on board. It sure is nice to get some fresh air in the park. And that train ride was pretty good. What a day.